Hey there, welcome to CoinCrafts, where we help you turn simple ideas into real income. Now, let me ask you something. Would you like to make $100 a day without working a traditional 9-to-5 job? Sounds crazy, right? But it's totally possible. Today, I'm going to show you how using beginner-friendly, free-to-start, and worldwide accessible tricks that anyone can use. Starting right now, these aren't just theories. They're actual methods people are using to earn money online every single day. So sit tight and stick around to the end. We've got bonuses waiting for you. Let's kick things off with one of the easiest ways to earn online: paid surveys and micro tasks. Yep, you can literally make money by sharing your opinion or completing simple tasks online. Head over to websites like Swagbucks and Boxdollars and Newsense. These platforms reward you for answering surveys, watching ads, playing games, or even just searching the web. Now here's the trick: don't just do random surveys. Focus on the high-paying ones and aim to complete daily streaks. That way, you earn bonuses and increase your payout. You can do this while watching TV or during your commute. It's super easy and a great way to get started. On average, you can earn between $10 and $20 a day just by doing this. It won't make you rich, but it's perfect for some quick extra cash. Next up, let's talk freelancing. But wait, don't scroll away just yet. I'm not talking about complex coding or professional design. No, with free AI tools like ChatGPT, Sanua, and Copy AI, you can offer valuable services online with barely any experience. Here's how it works. Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork. These are two of the biggest freelance platforms out there. Then, use tools like ChatGPT to write social media captions, Sanua to create Instagram posts or logos, and Copy AI to generate product descriptions. All of these can be done in under 10 minutes each. Many clients are looking for fast, affordable help with small tasks. You can complete 2 to 3 small gigs a day and make between $30 and $50. Do that consistently, and your skills and income will grow fast. Alright, let's step it up a notch. Selling digital products is where things start to get exciting. This is a method that has helped many creators earn passive income day and night. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad let you upload and sell digital items, things like printable planners, sticker packs, ebooks, or digital art. You can design everything using Sanua. It's free and easy to use. Once you create a few products, you list them on Etsy or Gumroad. Set your price, maybe $5 to $20, and promote them through Pinterest or Instagram. If you get a couple of sales a day, you could easily make $10 to $40 daily, and it grows over time. Some people are making hundreds of dollars a week doing just this. Imagine waking up to sales while you sleep. Here's a lazy side hustle you'll love. Did you know you can get paid just to watch videos or ads? Platforms like Timebox and Hideout.tv pay users for watching content. The trick: run these videos in the background while you're doing other stuff. Whether you're cleaning, studying, or just chilling, you can keep earning passively. It might only be $5 to $10 a day, but it adds up. Combine this with 1 or 2 other methods, and boom, you're stacking your earnings. Okay, here's a powerful bonus tip for those who want to build long-term income streams. Use AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Google Bard to supercharge your hustle. These tools can help you write scripts, generate business names, brainstorm ebook topics, or even come up with product ideas. Let's say you're stuck trying to figure out what to sell on Etsy. Just ask ChatGPT, "Give me 10 digital product ideas I can sell on Etsy." Boom, now you've got inspiration. Use those ideas, turn them into products with Sanua, and start building your store. The possibilities are endless. There you go, stack a few of these methods together, and reaching $100 a day isn't just a dream. It's totally doable. So, if you found this helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly money-making tips. We post tutorials, strategies, and real methods that actually work. Comment down below and let us know which method will you try first. Or better yet, tell us if you've already made money online. We love hearing your stories. Thanks for watching CoinCrafts.